Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title, a comprehensive guide to assigning values to keys in Python dictionaries. Introduction. Dictionaries are a powerful data structure in Python that allow you to store and retrieve key-value pairs efficiently. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to assign values to keys in Python dictionaries with clear explanations and code examples. Creating a dictionary. Before assigning values to keys, let's create a dictionary. In Python, dictionaries are defined using curly braces and consist of key-value pairs separated by colons. You can also create a dictionary with initial key-value pairs. Assigning values to keys. Once you have a dictionary, you can assign values to keys using the following syntax. Here, replace my_dict with the name of your dictionary, key with the desired key, and value with the value you want to assign. Let's see an example. After this operation, the dictionary student will be name, John, age, 21, grade, B. Handling non-existent keys. When assigning values to keys, be cautious about attempting to assign a value to a key that does not exist in the dictionary. To handle this, you can use the get method or check if the key exists using the in keyword. Updating multiple keys at once. If you need to update multiple keys simultaneously, you can use the update method, which takes a dictionary of key-value pairs to update. After this operation, student will be name, John, age, 22, grade, B. Conclusion. Congratulations! You now have a solid understanding of how to assign values to keys in Python dictionaries. Dictionaries are versatile and efficient for managing data, and knowing how to manipulate them is a valuable skill in Python programming. ChatGPT.